from Home Type. Now I'm going to explain the ring gauge for you. The first one is the stainless steel ring gauge, and it has two anti-burst knives. Be careful your hands when you install the anti-burst knife. This one, the sharp one, should be on the top, and this one inside. And the stainless steel ring gauge is pulse output, and this one is our 4G wireless module. It has one port for antenna. This one is antenna. Later I'm going to take the antenna off. When you receive the package, you need to install the antenna first, like this part. Install the antenna first, and the second port is for the power adapter. This one is a power adapter, so you need to connect the power adapter, let this side through the hole and connect here. And this one is for connecting with the ring gauge, and the wire is here. This side connect to with the stainless steel ring gauge, and this side connect to with our wireless module. Just connect the two wires. Screw tight. Okay, like this. And for the SIM card, you can see a very small yellow button here. Use something to press the yellow button and make this part pop out, so you can install your SIM card here. Use something maybe sharp thing to press the yellow button, to press this yellow button, and this part will pop out, so you can put your SIM card here and push it back. So if you don't want to use our wireless module, you want to use the pulse output, we have one spare wire for your output. This one is pulse output. This wire, you can just connect the wire with this wire. Okay. So this one for pulse output. So this is for the stainless steel ring gauge. And these two are ABS plastic ring gauge. And the material is ABS plastic, and they also have the anti-burst knife. Just put it inside like this. And the output is pulse output, both of them. Okay, that's all. Thank you.